Okay guys, we plant our yellow flower. Ayan. Ami said I have to speak English kahit barok. Yan yung 5 kind flower color of roses. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look at peonies. Malaki na ng peonies ko. They come and go, like come every summer and sleep by winter. Look, ang laki ng bulaklak niya. I have 3. One more here. And Ami helped me to dig while I'm cutting the grass. 2 more holes because dadagdagan natin siya niyan. Hibiscus, dalawa siya. Tapos lalagyan natin ng mga stone. So update lang sa planting namin ni Ami, and also I want to show you another flower. Lavender. Oh, Marco is at the Hi Marco. Happy birthday, Marco. Hi. Marco is at the window. Hi, Ami.
Hi,
Thank you for helping.
no problem.
And I will show you the vegetable I did. I chose to put at in the pot kasi yung mababait inuunahan tayo eh. So I have 2 eggplant. That is sweet potato. One pepper and 4 tomatoes. Tapos yung Rose of Sharon dito ko inilagay. Sana mabuhay siya kasi sa harapan inalis ko siya. I'll show you why. We did this last summer. Oh, by the way, I bought also a calamansi. That one, we're gonna plant it. And this one, we're gonna try to survive. So this one, tinanggal ko na yung mga Rose of Sharon ko dyan kasi ang plano, lagyan ko na lang siya ng gravel na ganyan, diretso doon. diretso gravel. Kasi sa future, I don't think my kids can pull all the weeds. So less work. Lalagyan ko na lang siya ng gravel, ganyan. This is where I will put all my garbage bin. So yan guys, today is Thursday. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, it's another table. More DIY. We're gonna sand it and paint it same as the other one. Okay, so that's about it for now. Bye, Ami.
Bye.
Take care.
Take care, guys.
God bless everyone. Bye.
Bless.